Today we'll be talking about tools every inspired trader needs. The tools every inspired trader needs. And number one in our list here is what? A smartphone and a laptop. You need a laptop to see the bigger picture of trading view. That's the reason why you need a laptop. And there are some functions in your laptop that's not in your phone. So that's the reason why you need what? A laptop. For me, I love using my laptop whenever I'm analyzing the market. But I place my trade on what? With my phone. I place my trade with my phone. So then number two in our list is what? Strong internet connection. You need a strong internet connection because whenever you are in a running trade, if your internet is not strong, you might either make more money or lose more than what you intend to lose. Then number three in our list, so that's the reason why you need what? A strong internet connection. Don't play with that. Then number three in our list is trading view. The interface here is what? Is trading view. So trading view, you can download it on your mobile phone. If you are with your phone with you, please download TradingView right now. Just download TradingView. And in your laptop, I prefer you use the web one. Just go to your browser on your laptop and type tradingview.com. I prefer you use that one. And number four is what? MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. We also have CTrader and DXTrader. But for now, since you are a beginner, it is best you use the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. You can download them on your phone, but not on your laptop. Don't just go online to download any regular MT4 or MT5 you see online. Wait for your broker. Your broker will be the one to give you what? A reliable MT4 and a reliable MT5. But for your phone, you can download any MT4. You can download MT4 and MT5. It's one MT4 and it's one MT5 on your phone, either on iOS or your Android phone. Then number five is what? Trading strategy. Just as every business have their own strategy, that is how forex have its own strategy. Every trader in the forex industry, they have their own strategy. And that is what I'm going to teach you as we progress. Then number six is what? Trading journal and pen. You need a trading journal to journal your trade, to put down the reason why you take the trade. And yes, it is necessary to always write down the reason, to journal the reason why you take every trade, because it helps build your psychology and it helps build your confidence in taking trade, and it helps you to master your strategy. So it is good to have a trading journal and to make use of it. Then number seven is a good regulated broker, not just any broker you see online. Make sure it's a good one and a regulated one. Then the broker is the intermediary between you and other trader. So they act as the middleman between you and other trader. There's more to it, but let's just go with this. Number eight is what? Investment capital. Since you are coming to this industry, you need what? Investment capital. This capital should not be an amount that you are not willing to lose. Please don't fund your brokerage account with any amount you are not willing to lose. Don't fund your brokerage account with any amount you are not willing to lose. Don't use your school fees, don't use your house rent, don't use your medication money, don't use any money you know that you are not willing to lose. And lastly, forex is a game of capital. The larger your capital, the bigger your reward, likewise your loss. If you have big capital, potential to make more money is high, and the potential to lose more is also high. So that's it. You can download your MT4 and MT5 on your phone now, and your trading view as well. So this trading view on my PC, you can see it. So these are the tools every serious trader needs: your smartphone, strong internet connection, your laptop, trading view, MT4, MT5, and a good and reliable broker, investment capital, trading journal, and what strategy. These are the tools every inspired trader needs as a beginner.